Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm redoing stuff I built a few years ago, which is just absolutely great. This hatch is the escape hatch I have on the front deck of the boat, and I don't know why, but I made it way too small back then. Hatch is around 34 centimeters in depth, which is not really gonna do it. The idea is that I'm gonna cut it over and weld a section in between to extend it. I think I did just some measurements. I think I could add another 18 centimeters. So it will be roughly like that. So I think that should make for a sufficient big enough exit to get out of the boat. Let me just quickly show you where it's located. So the hatch is just located above the watertight door to the front compartment. So the hatch framework is on the deck just out there, and this is just a piece of glass just to get some light in, but it's temporary. The idea is that once the boat is done, there will be a little box here with a rope ladder in it. So when you're in the front room, you can pull that rope ladder down and then you can get up through the hatch. So that hatch frame needs to extend as well by 18 centimeters. think it turned out pretty good. I'm quite satisfied with the looks of it. Was a bit underestimated how much work it was. It actually took a few days to do all these modifications. But I'm very happy I added the window. Of course that removed a little bit of the depth, but I have sufficient space to get out and have the large for my family. So yeah, I made a latch mechanism that I will show in more detail in a bit. But the idea is that I have a normal wing nut in the bottom here, a brass one. And then there's a padlock on the top here that can also easily be broken off with a crowbar if need be in case of emergency. Because I don't like the idea if it's only locked from the inside, meaning that you can't open it from the outside. So that's also why I made this little cover on it to keep rainwater out of that mechanism. Yeah, then made a rubber stop in the top here. And then all the watertight doors I have, I'm just using some normal camping mattresses as a gasket material, and so far it's been working quite good because there's quite a bit of an aggressive knife edge, so water doesn't really get in. And then the gas spring also is nice and strong. I got it from my neighbor in the Netherlands. I think it was used from a combine harvester. So all the hatches had these very overkill, very strong gas dampers on it. So if you see the moment arm is also very little. But it's quite good at opening it. So it holds itself kind of here. You give it a small push and then it opens itself. So this latch mechanism is just a normal wing nut that can swivel. And then there's a fork here where you can bolt it under. And to give it extra bit more space when egressing of getting out of the hatch, this one automatically falls down. Maybe a bit overkill, but it just gives me a bit more width here. So that locks in there, and then on the top, yeah, it's just a padlock that goes through that eye. Nothing more to it. But maybe if you guys have some other ideas, do let me know. I thought this was quite a low-tech solution. That was it again for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, do leave me a comment below if you enjoy this kind of videos and if you have any ideas on how I can improve things on the boat. I'm much looking forward to reading them. See you in the next video.